And the PowerPoint Transitions offers a wider variety transitions including subtitle, exciting, and a dynamic content transition. And you can customize the speed, add sounds, and adjust effect options. While the Google Slide Transitions provides a more limited selections of transitions but still offer enough options. And you can adjust the speed and apply transition to all slides. And the PowerPoint Animations is allows you to animate individuals object like text or entire slide. And you can also customize the timing and speed and trigger for each animations. While the Google Slide Animation, you can apply animation to objects and text and adjust the speed and trigger settings. Then the similarities of PowerPoint and Google Slide transitions and animations are both allow you to add transitions and animation to enhance your presentations. And both offer a range of effects and customized options. Both allow you to preview animations and transitions before applying them. That's all. Thank you.